Hi everyone, you are on How Fix It. If your PS4 Pro fan is not working, in this video guide, I'll show you how to replace the fan in the game console. What you need for the disassembly of the PlayStation 4 Pro: Torx T8 screwdriver with a hole inside, and Phillips 1 screwdriver. Plastic pry tools, tweezers, thermal paste, anti-static brush. The PlayStation 4 has a lot of screws of different sizes, and it is very important to screw them in the right places. I recommend using a magnetic mat and keeping track of each screw step by step. This will help to reassemble your game console successfully, and don't worry about losing any of the screws. All of them will definitely remain on the magnetic mat. In the description, I left links where to buy all the necessary tools. Also, in the description, I left a link to a video where I test the effectiveness of liquid metal in PS4 Pro and thermal paste. This video will be of interest to owners of the first generation PS4 Pro. This is the first generation of PS4 Pro, model CUH7016. If your PS4 Pro second generation, like a CUH7216, to this video guide, I left a link in the description. Let's start disassembling the PS4 Pro. Remove the plastic cover over the hard drive. Use a Phillips 1 screwdriver to remove one screw. Then remove the hard drive. Remove the warranty seal. Then, using a Torx T8 screwdriver, remove the 3 screws. PS4 Pro CUH7100 series only has one warranty seal and one screw. Now, nothing prevents you from removing the bottom cover. On the back of the device, you need to grab the 2 corners with your fingertips and pull up until you hear a loud click. Now slide the cover back and remove it. Remove the 2 screws that hold the power supply in place. Remove the top cover in the same way as the bottom cover. Grip the cover on the corner and just pull up until it clicks. Then, when you are sure the cover is off, slide the cover back. Use a Torx T8 screwdriver to remove 5 screws from the power supply. Remove the power supply by pulling it up, but be careful not to pull too far. The power supply is still connected with one cable. Grip the connector on the power supply and pull it out. Disconnect all ribbon cables and antenna cables from the main board. Remove all screws on the metal plate. On the back side of the metal plate, there are thermal pads from VRAM chips. Do not lose them. Please note, it is necessary to remove the screws evenly on each side, with a few turns of each screw. Grip the edge of the motherboard and slowly lift it upwards from the game console housing. Remove the thermal paste from APU and heatsink. You can now replace the fan. Use this manufacturer part number to find a replacement fan for your PS4 Pro revision. Also, in the description, I left a link to a fan for the PlayStation 4 Pro all revisions. Installing the motherboard, make sure that the power supply cable goes into this hole. Please note, do not over-tighten the screws to avoid damaging the APU chip. Tighten the screws evenly on each side with a few turns of each screw. I really appreciate you watching my video guides. You can ask all additional questions regarding the repair in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.